It's a family business. And that's the way I look at it, as Cherokee Copper's family. And what a great way to have a business that promotes being Cherokee, but we're doing with the loved ones that we have. But in the meantime, everybody's learning a skill and a trade that is dying off. The imagery that we use on Cherokee Copper, a lot of it is from the Mississippi East era, where we are, like I would say, reviving it and promoting it out into the Cherokee culture, but also we're doing it in an educational way to teach people what that imagery means. The double woodpecker, the 7 sacred lines or the 4 directions, the turtle, all has Cherokee meaning and culture. Now in 10 years of business, we've just now passed our 10,000th order. And then also we are just hitting our $1 million revenue. Start with a couple of orders 10 years ago, we were excited. We'd go to a trade show and sell $400 worth of stuff. We were ecstatic and thought, okay, this thing's working. So we put the money back into the business, keep growing it, and then we created our own website, Cherokee Copper. We were at a point in time where, all right, our production quantities, our orders are starting to grow. Now, 10 years later, the largest Cherokee jeweler in the world.